Hey guys, Adam from Lazy Guy DIY. In today's tool talk, I want to make some terrible puns and shed some light on the situation and really brighten your idea to LED lights. Actually, shop lights and job site lights. So I have a couple here. I've reviewed a bunch here recently, and I'm going to put them all into one video so you can take a look at these, which are the newest ones from the last year or so. They're all LEDs. They all either run on batteries or rechargeable, and they are bright. So as I'm seeing spots in front of my eyes from checking these things out, don't look directly into the LEDs. Let's take a look at some of these, and I'll have links to everything in the profile.
First up from Ryobi, you get the 18-volt Oneplus hybrid LED project light. You get 180 degrees of swivel here, plus multi-point rotation, so you can shine light pretty much anywhere. You have 18 little LEDs on here that are giving you 900 lumens of light. There is a 3-light mode, so you get 600 lumens and 100 lumens in the low mode. You have a great little hook on top that's great for hanging in the rafters. The grip zone is fantastic on this. And there's a mag tray. But oh yeah, there is also the hybrid function, which means you plug it into extension cord and run this sucker forever. Next up is from Ridgid. It's the Gen 5X 18-volt dual power light cannon. And light cannon you get here. You have a pistol grip and you get 2,500 lumens of brightness. You have a 180 degree swivel on the head. It is a very sturdy base on this. With this pistol grip, this is more of a spotlight than anything else. You do have a dial to adjust the brightness on the back so you can shine it and match whatever brightness you need on the job site. You do have a tripod mount. And oh yeah, what's great about this is that you can also attach it to a 12-volt car adapter so you can use it as a spotlight in your car as well. And now for something a little different. From Striker, we have the Rover mobile task light. This little guy is tough. It has a steel exoskeleton, so I'll call it indestructible. It's probably not indestructible, but it's a tough little guy. It has a dual focus lens that lets you focus the beam of light. It is also rechargeable with a USB. This is the only rechargeable light that we have in the group. It has 4 light modes with high, medium, low, and strobe. They're hanging hooks so you can mount it pretty much anywhere. It also has a tripod mount on the bottom. It is a tough little guy. It's very compact. It's easy to throw in your pack. It's great for camping as well. Since we're talking tough lights named Rover, this is the Milwaukee M18 1500 lumen Rover LED mounting floodlight. You get 3 light modes here, 1500 on high, medium you get 650, low you get 350 lumens with 20 hours of runtime with a 5.0 battery. This thing is tough too. You get impact resistance up to 9 feet of drop. You get dust and water resistant, and you have a swivel head that is great for the job site. You also have a 2-inch spring clamp that you're not going to have on any other model that is great for putting up into the rafters. You also get magnets on the bottom that I love putting up on ductwork. It is great for crawl spaces. Check out this little light named the Rover. Something a little different from Ryobi, you get the 18-volt Oneplus hybrid LED color range work light. You get over 24 hours of runtime with a Oneplus high-capacity battery. On the high setting, you get over 1,200 lumens, medium is 700 lumens, and low 100 lumens. It is very versatile because you get a 360-degree rotation with the head here. You have multiple hanging options, whether you're using the giant rafter hook, you can use the hooks on the bottom, or the tripod mount. But what's great about this thing is you can actually change the color temperature. You can go from 2700 Kelvin all the way to 5000 Kelvin. This is great if you're a painter or if you're taking photographs because you can go from that soft light to that day glow from like an afternoon sunlight. And oh yeah, it is a hybrid, which means you can plug it into an extension cord and run this thing for hours. Last but not least, from Milwaukee is the M18 2200 lumen radius LED compact sight light with a floodlight. You get a lantern mode here that shines up to 2200 lumens. On the medium mode, you get 1100 lumens, and on the low mode, you get 550 lumens that runs for over 16 hours on the 5.0 battery. But you also get the floodlight with 1000 lumens on the side. It is great for tight spaces. You have a hook on the top, you have a hook on the bottom that you can hang from the rafters, and it is a hybrid as well, which means you can plug it in and run it forever. So now that we've seen all these LED options, which one is our favorite? Let's find out.
So out of these lights that we've tested, which ones are my favorite? Actually, they're all pretty good. They all have their place, whether in the shop or the job site. So no complaints on any of them. What's really nice also, if you want something really tiny, is that Striker. It charges with a USB. You just plug it in, throw it in your car, whatever. It's good for roadside, camping, whatever else. But I think it's more of an outlier of the group. What I really want is something that I can use when I'm working on a job site, around the house, crawl space, something like that. And I have two that are my absolute favorite. The first up is the Ryobi work light here. It's definitely more of a budget option. Given the price compared to some of the other ones that are a couple $100s, but it performs really well. I actually use this one for lighting videos sometimes too, because there's a steady light flow and not the flicker from the LEDs. But it's pretty versatile. It folds down nicely. It's got a nice grip, especially if I want to light something and I'm taking a picture over top. I can kind of go like this and go with one hand and do the other. That doesn't really apply to you, more so me as a vlogger. But the mag tray, the hooks, the nice and bright lights, and the hybrid option. That's one of my favorite things that people are adding now on lights a lot, is the ability to either use the battery or the hybrid option when you have it. It is a great feature, and that's also why I really like this Milwaukee job site light as well. There are 2 or 3 different sizes of these. I think they get a lot bigger than this. They are a little costly, but Milwaukee tools are very durable, so nothing to worry about there. You have your hanger on the bottom here that I forgot to show in the feature video. But whether you're in lantern mode like this, or if you switch it to spotlight mode, I have used it a ton around the house, in the crawl space, wherever I need to. It has a ton of light. It's very bright, and oh yeah, it also has that hybrid option too. So that's why I'm loving these. Check them out. They're all available other than the Striker at your Home Depot. I'll have links in the profile, but definitely give all these lights a look. They're worth having.